John is a top attorney in town, and I do commercial real estate, and I decided to reach out to him on LinkedIn and see if he'd take a meeting. And so we met, and we just developed a little rapport and dialogue at that time. Got to know John Bozen and his firm, Bozen Law. He explained what he did as a profession, that he specializes in personal injury and helping his clients with accidents, car crashes and things like that. You think, oh, that's interesting. Well, I'll keep that in mind. And little did I know that a few years later that my cousin Wendy called frantic. Her daughter had been in a horrific car accident. She said, "Jimmy, you told me one time that you had met a top attorney who did personal injury. Can you give me the name?" And then I heard that she went ahead and had Bozen Law represent her daughter, and they really stepped in and did an amazing job in helping her and her daughter through a really horrific time in their lives. They helped her understand the impact of the car crash that occurred with her daughter, what it would mean not only today, but what it could mean long-term from a medical perspective, and what the financial impact could be. Her daughter was a recent graduate, had a great career outlook on the horizon, and that was definitely impacted for several years. And I think she's going to have a lifelong disability from the accident. But she's protected from a financial considerations, and she's protected from, most importantly, the medical considerations. And I think Bozen Law really brings individual customer service approach that really understands people. They're a people firm. They're not just a numbers firm trying to figure out what is your case worth. That's not the approach that they take. And they really try to understand what the individual's goals and aspirations were, what they were hopeful for in life, and when the accident occurred, how that'll derail what that was going to look like, and truly try to vet out all the potential disruption in their life, from medical and long-term medical and short-term, as well as all the financial impacts. And so I would say that they do something a little different than the law firms that I see advertised on TV. They approach it from a human perspective, and they really help people. And for that, I'll always refer Bozen Law.